Hi guys, so here we are again with my GoPlus kayak, inflatable kayak. Today I'm gonna test out a new pump I got here. Normally you see me using the Shark 2S pump. Today we have the new addition to the family, the Shark 3. Shark 3 pump is much faster than the Shark 2, new and improved. So let's see how it goes. First time using it. Let's test it out, and then I'm gonna go for a little paddle around the lake and do a little fishing, try to see if we can catch any fish. Okay, so let's go. Don't forget your safety kit when you're boating. So you have a mirror, a flashlight, a rope to tie yourself or throw out somebody to tow you. Right, you can get in.
Got in?
Windy now. Windy, it's gonna push you everywhere. The wind is thunderstorming.
It's gonna rain.
Guys, we just got in the water and they're calling for a thunderstorm. Waves are picking up. I don't know how much we can do. Try as much as we can. Not sure about fishing though. This is the boat maybe.
Yeah, it's waving.
And they have a rescue boat that work staff. That's what it was. The thing that was making noise. follow the shore. Shelter. Flowers are coming out, you notice?
Yeah.
Like another week or so, they're all going to be nice. If I go to the other side, maybe I can fish from there. Wait.
Oh,
Maybe we can get out.
what is that?
Maybe there, by those trees, but it's high. Doesn't go to the water.
This is the end of the river, the lake, right?
Oh, the one's all the way over there.
Yeah. Sorry.
Hey, we gotta go deeper.
Here?
Straight into the river. Straight, not to the shore. Okay, you got the boat.
Hmm?
You got the boat.
I got the boat.
To the middle. Middle out. Okay, I'm gonna throw this and see what happens. Something's biting. Oh, I felt the bite.
You got
Yeah.
the bite? Maybe a mosquito bite you. Not a
No,
fish.
no, you can feel it. When they bite, they go.
Yeah.
Something there. Look. I got something.
Oh, you
I got something.
You got something? Where you at?
Let go. I got something. There it is.
Oh, you got a fish!
It's a bass.
What is it?
Bass.
Oh, so cute.
Looks like a sunfish.
Oh,
Okay.
such a cute fish. How are you gonna
Where's
take it
my
out?
net?
Where's your net? Oh, you're gonna lose it.
No.
Oh, you're gonna let it go, right?
Yes, you have to let it go. Catch and release.
Oh. Oh, such a cute fishing. You see?
I need to get the pliers or something. Yes. Because the hook is inside. You almost swallowed the hook.
Oh, okay, careful, you're gonna tip over. How are you gonna remove it?
Oh, the rod.
Okay. Were you able to take it out? Oh, okay.
Okay,
Bye.
here's the fish.
Let it go.
And a release.
Bye.
There you
Oh,
go.
so cute.
Not too deep here. I can see the bottom.
Oh yeah. No, I think it's big.
Okay. You get lots of fish and sometimes Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna paddle around and see what I can find.
Where are you holding it with?
Between my legs.
And this?
Yeah?
Where are you holding this?
Just standing there.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's long enough. Okay.
It's extendable. Okay, I put it inside.
Okay. So it's from the paddles. Oh. Ooh. Listen to these people over there. I don't think you were really lucky for that one. I don't think you're gonna be lucky again later.
Something. Yeah, I think I got something. You got something. Small looks like. No?
Yeah, you got it.
Good one.
Can you unhook it fast?
It has spines in the top, see?
Yeah.
So you gotta hold it so it doesn't bite you. Oh, this one bites.
Is it? Can you do it though?
It went right through the nose.
Too big. It's so little.
See? A little. That's it. It's gone.
Oh yeah, he went in.
Yeah. You gotta revive him a little.
Yeah?
Okay.
I feel better.
Then we have to leave now. Maybe there's the secret ducks over there. To the far shore. Summer is not that long, right? So look how nice it is over here. All right.
I tried to avoid it, but be like.
Should all be the other way. Okay. And there, my friends, the end of our trip. Everything's all packed up. I wanted to go fishing. I got 2 fish, one baby one a little bigger. Of course, I released them. I tested my shark-free pump. It's pretty good, a little faster than the other one, the Shark 2S that I had before. They're both good pumps. Hope you liked it. You had fun watching this video. If you did and you haven't subscribed yet, please like, subscribe, hit the button, the little bell down below, and take care. Happy camping, kayaking. Bye for now. Check out the beautiful sunset.